Hi, what's up everyone? So today we're back with another unboxing video. However, this is not an album unboxing video. As you can see, this is a Fansite slogan that I ordered through the Singapore group order from this lady, and she's really nice and really trustable. So yes, so this is the Rabbit Eunbi Reflects slogan by Eunbi. I'll leave the details in the description box below. So yeah, so for this slogan set, we have stickers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 stickers, which are the same, but they're really like pretty, as you can see. Can you focus? Is it focusing? Yes, we have her Korean name, then Eunbi Wolim. Wolim is her agency, Wolim Entertainment. And we have the bunny ears. Yeah, so cute. Okay, now let's take a look at oh my god, it's not focusing. Okay, there we go. Then we take a look at the slogan. Okay, so this is the front of the slogan. The material is like really nice. Okay, so it's too big to fit the screen, so I just like move from right to left. So yes, okay, here we go. It's really nice, it's really cute. And here's the back of the slogan. We have her name, and here we have her birthday with Eunbi. Yes, then we have her name here. Okay, so this, okay, as you guys know, this is a reflect slogan, so these words will be reflective in the dark. So okay, I'm filming this in the day, so I'm gonna try to like close all the curtains and let you guys see the how it looks. Okay, be right back. Okay, hi guys, so I managed to close all the curtains, and this is how the slogan looks like in the dark. Reflective slogan. I obviously on the torchlight, the flashlight on my phone, so yeah, if you do it without flashlight, it's like it's not gonna be like that. It's like not glow in the dark. You need some light to like actually see the reflective effect on the slogan. So like this is the front, there's nothing. Then you have the back here, which is really nice. So yeah, okay guys, so thank you for watching the video, and this is not the only slogan that I've ordered. So yeah, in the future there are gonna be more slogans coming in. Probably just upload it because you know I'm bored and no one really do unboxing videos for Fansite slogan. So yes, see you guys soon, bye.